President Marcos will not happen this it's the first term in the Philippines in Karina. Kaya sinasabi ko sa iyo, Mr. President, kung sumuko ka na sa akin at ibigay mo sa akin money ransom because Miss Power to the World about the goddess end times, your world where trees exist, hindi nyo di ba tinuloy sa Philippines at China Sea? In-stop nyo dahil sa akin, what happened? You're very feel right, America, President. This is subversives around the world big issue. Gagamitin niyo na naman ako para i-remove it or city problem damages of building etc. people to my crown about this your city's chains. Hindi kayo magaling eh. Kaya yung karma, tuloy-tuloy. Well, you're stronger to the feel about the world's end times. Because World War III sure never start, exist, and liar to miss abandon my life dahil dyan. Well, magbilang kayo ng age nyo, Mr. President. Mamamatay na kayo sa katandaan. Nakikita yung krus na yan. Yan ang simbolo ng nangyayari ngayon sa mundo.